Hey, what's up, guys? Another day in the books for March 11th. And at this point, looking at the weekly chart on the QQQ, you've got the weekly squeeze setting up. We have only 2 points out of 15 with neutral trend, neutral structure, and bear momentum. They have taken out their 21 EMA, they're taking out the 50 SMA. Probabilities-wise, if they can't get it and keep it back above 485, 490, they probably try to fire that weekly squeeze short, at which point they probably kick off a pullback to that monthly 21 EMA. And I can't stress enough for now, it's a very bullish monthly chart. 15 points out of 15, neutral, bull trend, bull structure, bull momentum. So if this was a 5-minute QQQ or an hourly QQQ, you got a really good uptrend going, big push off that 21 EMA, brand new highs. At some point, you got to pull back to that support zone. So below 485-ish, I think it'll be a gradual path down to 450, or maybe a quick path. And then I'm watching the S&Ps pretty much through the same lens right now. Really, really bullish monthly chart. You have support around 5,300, and then off the weekly time frame, 2 points out of 15, neutral trend, neutral structure, bear momentum, a squeeze with price below your 21 EMA and your 50. If they can get it and keep it back above that 5,700-ish, they maybe avoid a bigger flush for now. Below the weekly 50, I think you're going to get a tumble down to that 53 and change. Now for tomorrow morning, we have the CPI report, followed by the PPI report on Thursday. And we'll find out, guys. Potentially these could be, if all goes well, maybe a bit of a catalyst for a dead cat bounce, a little bit of a short squeeze. We shall find out. And I do think we're due for a good short squeeze move sometime soon. The problem up to this point is we're not getting anything as far as a trigger for a short squeeze. Good example is, look at the hourly here on the QQQ. Look at the hourly on a lot of things. They're in very clear downtrends. We begin the break back on the 21st of November, 21st of February, rather. Ever since we broke down, you had that 21 EMA crossing back under the 50. You get that negative moving average cross. Ever since then, we haven't seen that turn back in the bull's favor. 21 EMA below the falling 50 SMA. And I think until they can change that dynamic, every pop will get rejected. Right? They pop it back here, rejection. They pop it again, rejected. Pop it again, another rejection, another pop, another rejection. And then even today's price action. They pop it from 467 into 480. Right back to your 21 EMA, rejection, right back on down she goes. If they can turn that dynamic, right, get the 21 EMA back above the 50, get that momentum line back above zero, then given the fact that we're so oversold, I think you jump in there, try to call for a short squeeze. If they cannot get that 21 EMA back above the 50 on the hourly, things are not shaping up for a meaningful bounce. Hourly on the S&Ps here, right, same exact thing. 21 EMA crosses under the 50, and they're walking that poor thing down. Right, pop it, rejection, pop it, rejection, again, and again. We could be at weekly support, we could be at monthly support, we could be very oversold. None of that will matter until they can turn up the hourly. Shift momentum, shift the structure, then you jump in, try to call for that short squeeze pop. The hourly on NVIDIA, same exact situation. 21 EMA under the 50, and they flush it, they pop it, they reject it. They flush it, they pop it, they reject it. And again, and again, and again. All right, what about an hourly chart on an Amazon? Big pop, 21 EMA under the 50. Right back on down. Another big pop, 21 EMA under the 50, right back down. When that changes, guys, I think you got a shot at a good long here. And the beauty of a bit more of a bearish market, that's actually where you'll tend to get your biggest bounces. Market pulling back. He got the markets in turmoil special on CNBC. Here comes the end of the world, everybody buying their puts, then you get the short squeeze. So I am looking for it, I am ready for it, but I will not put cash to work on that idea until the S&Ps, QQQ, Nvidias, all the above, get their hourly 21 back above their hourly 50. I think that'll be a good step in the right direction as far as trying to get something going to the upside. If they can't do that, we will keep on getting day trade short. Had a good short yesterday. We had a good one going today. We did get stopped out for break even. But yeah, we'll keep on shorting it until things change. So y'all have a good night. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Adios.
What's up, traders? This is Taylor from Focus Trades here with SimplerTrading.com, and as always, I appreciate you watching our videos. If you happen to enjoy this one, go on ahead and like and comment down below, and if you're not already, make sure you go on ahead and subscribe and click that bell icon. That way, whenever Chandler and I upload a video, you'll get a notification once it's live. And if you want to watch us trade live with our own money Monday through Friday, you can check us out at SimplerTrading.com. See you in the next video.